Aloha, what is up everyone? Okay, so today we're gonna do the straight pipes Project Pugly. You can see it back there. These aren't the, what do you call it? The permanent pipes I'm gonna have, because I'm gonna do chrome pipes later. But I just wanted to get this done, see what it sounds like. So let me show you what we got going on. So this is a 5-inch, so it's all 5-inch exhaust. It's got dual stacks, this one and that one on that side. These appear to be factory mufflers. And I'm wondering if these are the straight through, like if it's a straight through design, it's not very, restrictive. Or I wonder if they have baffles in there. So I'm gonna pull these off. I should be able to reuse almost all the hardware, but some of the stuff I'll have to go get new, no big deal. And then what I have is the straight, this is actually 10 feet of 5-inch exhaust tubing. And I was surprised to find out you can buy this at Napa Auto. So Napa Auto sells 5-inch and by 10 feet, or I guess you can buy it by foot, but the whole thing is 10 feet. So I just got 10 feet because I need to cut it. You can see where I marked it here. This is my 5 foot. My 5 foot mark should just about, these are 5.5. So it's gonna be just a little tiny bit shorter, which is fine, no big deal. Because, I mean, again, at some point I'm gonna do my chrome pipes. All this is gonna be replaced. But for right now, we just wanna do quick and simple and easy. And then, oh yeah, I'm gonna get some high temp. I got some high temp flat black exhaust paint. So I'm gonna paint these just so they don't. It appears it should be galvanized, so that's not a huge deal. But I'm gonna paint them anyway, just so it kind of matches. I'll just do a quickie little spray can job, and then yeah, I'll give you guys the update. So let me turn it on so you guys can hear it with the mufflers, and then we'll do it after the mufflers are off. Okay. Okay, so here is the sound, the exhaust with the muffler still, and this is from the driver's seat. I'll give it a rev. Okay, I'll do it from the back now. Okay, here we go. The two exhaust pipes are cut now. They're 5 foot tall. And then what I did was I got them covered in high temp flat black, just so it kind of cleans it up all right. And I use this stuff right here. Let me see if I can show you. Let me see. Can you see that? VHT flame proof. So it's like a high temp. This is just a flat black. It goes on really nice. No drips. This is 2 coats. And it's good enough for right now. So they're 5 foot stacks. And then I'm gonna pull these off. I'm gonna pull these off here next and see how much they cooperate, because some of these bolts are really old. So hopefully I can, I don't know, maybe reuse some of it. But if not, I'll go buy some new hardware. No big deal. All right, here we go. Okay, let's try it. Let's see what she'll do. That was in there way more than I thought. Okay, you want to pull me back? Woo! How's the workout? One done. Okay, straight pipe update on Project Pugly. I've been fighting with these things for hours just to get the final exact little measurements, because it's pipe, it's tubing or whatever, so it's like a 1/4 inch this way and 1/8 of an inch that way. Let me show you what we got. So they're basically on. So just to recap, this is 5-inch straight pipe. This is straight pipe from Napa. I just painted it high temp black. I'm gonna touch it up once everything's final, and I'm not gonna and I don't have to mess with it anymore. I'm gonna touch it up. So everything's on. There's a couple final just bolts I gotta tighten. I just wanna make sure everything's good. I gotta tighten these, but that's no big deal. All the joint stuff is, I had to redo this one here. But all that's tight. I wanna see if I can fire it up, see what it sounds like, see if there's any like big exhaust leaks. Again, these aren't the final pipes. I'm gonna end up doing chrome pipes. So for right now, I just wanted to see what it I wanted to hear what it sounds like with no mufflers. And then I'll show you the mufflers that we took off. The date on them is, C7, which comes out to 1977. So I think these are original mufflers. Here's the original mufflers. And one of them, I think it was this one. Let me see. One of them is, you can see, you can't see through it, but one of this was actually blown out. That one, see how you can, I don't know if you can see the light at the end. Let me see. See the light? So the baffles were kind of blown out on this one. This one still has the baffles, so it's kind of quieting down the engine. So we're gonna see now with straight pipes. We're gonna see what's up with the straight pipe, see what it sounds like. So let me get it fired up and then warmed up so I can give you guys some revs, and then I'll do another video on that. So we'll see what it sounds like. All right. Okay, here we go, quick start. I like it. You can hear the turbo now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can hear the turbo wind down when you let off. I'll do a video from the back. Maybe you can catch it there, but I don't know if the microphone on my phone is, or on my camera is good enough. Hopefully you guys can catch the turbo. Okay, let me try another one. Okay everyone, that does it for the straight pipe swap on Project Pugly. Let me show you. That's it, 5-inch straight pipes. Just like a recap, the pipe, I'll give you a cost, a rough cost. The pipe was $150. Then I did some paint and I got a couple new clamps just because the old ones were kind of rusty. But probably about $200 total. And then I know everyone's gonna say, why didn't you do chrome pipes, blah, blah, blah. Well, the chrome pipes that I want, I'm gonna get 7-inch stacks, and then with the elbows, with all that stuff, it's about $2,000 or $3,000. It's about $2,000, $2,500. So I was like, well, for right now, let me see what it sounds like. And to me, it sounds amazing. That's like, I don't know if the camera's getting it accurately, but that's a sound you can only get with a two-stroke Detroit. Nothing else is gonna sound like that. So of course, in the future, I'll get more videos. I'll get driving videos and I'll get all that. But yeah, that does it for right now. If you have any questions, post below. And like, comment, and subscribe, because that's the only way we can keep these videos going. Okay, everyone. Aloha.